For more than 30 years, I've worked with a variety of media outlets, my own social media outlets, but also little weekly newspapers, trade publications, radio networks, and there's typically some form of deadline. It could be an article once every 2 months. Here's what I've found. It's often easier to do something once a week or even once a day than it is once a month. You spend a lot of time thinking about it, procrastinating. Either way, sometimes you're better off giving yourself specific deadlines on a more frequent basis. And this will help sharpen you, will get you thinking better. Some of you have heard me mention this before, but I'll restate it here. A part of why I think I'm helpful to my clients about answering any question they have when it comes to speaking to the news media or giving speeches is just that I think about this stuff literally every day. And I think about how I can help other people in their mission to speak more effectively. A part of what I do is, if I'm not recording a video every day, and I don't do this every day, I write a title, I write a topic, a different topic for some aspect of how to improve public speaking or media skills 7 days a week. I just have an automatic reminder on my calendar, 7 a.m., come up with a topic. I write it down. I may only spend 20 seconds on it. Sometimes it may take me 2 minutes to think of it, but it's a muscle that I'm building every single day. And then once a month or once every 100 days, I'll just go ahead and do all the videos at once. And that helps strengthen me as a communicator because I'm giving myself forced deadlines. These days with social media, with you being able to control your own blog, your own YouTube channel, your own Facebook page, there's no reason to just have something as rare as or as infrequent as once a month or even once a week, in my view. You need more regular expressions of your content. Now, if you're writing fantastic novels, okay, that's different. But if you're sharing your expertise on things that are affected by new trends, it should be more frequent. I'm TJ Walker. I teach people how to speak more effectively to the media and to live audiences. If you want more information, consider coming to one of my live workshops held every month in New York City, or hiring me for a private workshop. More information on this at mediatrainingworldwide.com.